Now, unless you are still living under the rocks, other side of the world knows that Samsung had their unpacked yesterday and launched the S25 series. Focused on AI, the next big thing in the smartphone industry. This year also we witnessed the company prioritizing it even more. It's a step in the right direction since AI did help in the improved sale of the S24 series compared to the previous years. Now all of you who follow Samsung knows that the company listen, be it the critics, tech reviewers or the customers. But this time around we didn't want them to listen so carefully. After the planned assassination of the successful Galaxy Note series, the Note fan had a sigh of relief when Samsung announced the S22 Ultra, a Note in disguise. Starting with the Note 20 Ultra and then carrying it into the Galaxy S Ultra, that sharp, rectangular, iconic boxy design made it stick out from other slab forms. The company continued the legacy, although with a different name, and then kept refining and improving it over the years. And it reflected in the sales as well, with the Ultra single handedly carrying the S series along. And just when the fans finally recovered from that untimely demise of their beloved phone, the company decided to kill that boxier design as well. It was something that made it distinctive and it stood out in the crowd of the smartphones today. Honestly, it wasn't much of an issue since most of us do slap a cover on our mobile phones anyway. It makes in rounding off the sharp boxy corners and help considerably in reducing the risk of a heart attack if you happen to drop it on a hard surface. I have used S22 Ultra for a couple of years and now using S24 Ultra as my daily driver since last 1 year. There were thoughts of having a different form factor for the next phone, probably a folding one. Now this decision of rounding the edges of the Ultra seems like the final nail in the coffin. So with the Galaxy S25 series launch, it looks like an end of an era. All of a sudden, that iconic design suddenly saying its goodbye. And to the fans out there, the most you can do is to hold on to our S24, S23 or S22 Ultra as long as you can. Yes, the 7 years of OS update is a blessing, but still,